Hi everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I want to bring you a recipe that I have been dying to share with you. And you know that I have been looking for ways to use up my protein powder, but this recipe has actually pushed me to buy different protein powders. More to come on that. But I wanted to share with you today how I am making a cake. Yes, I said cake from protein powder. So I'm going to show you two different variations today. I have one that's a chocolate chip cake, and that one's going to be 4 points. And then I have a chocolate cake, which has been my favorite and my go-to. And that one is only 2 points. Yes, I said 2 points for a personal sized cake. You can add different toppings on it. I'm going to continue to share this with you. Today I'm going to show you the basic recipe just to not overwhelm you, but you are going to be shocked. You are going to love this one. And again, I have been super excited to share this with you. So with that said, let me jump in and show you the cake. So let's talk a little bit about the protein powders that I've been using to make this cake. My favorite one so far is the Quest. This chocolate milkshake protein powder has 22 grams of protein, 110 calories, and this one is coming in at 2 points per scoop. So again, this is the lowest point option. Now we do have the Ghost Nutrition. I got the sample packets of these, and I'm probably going to go ahead and get a larger container of one of these. And the Oreo is 150 calories, whereas the chocolate chip is 160, but they're both coming in at 25 grams of protein. And each of those packages are 4 points each. The good thing is that if you are on the fence about trying some of these, the Ghost Nutrition website does have the sample packets for sale. Now we're going to need 1 egg, a half teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, vanilla flavoring, whatever you have, and then some butter flavored cooking spray. Now, if you're using the Quest protein powder, the only additional ingredient you're going to need is a little bit of cocoa powder, just the powdered cocoa powder, 0 points, I think, if you get the Hershey one, and you're only using like a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of it in the chocolate. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to spray our little ramekin here, and no, you don't need this fancy little ramekin. You can use a glass bowl for this. So I put my applesauce in, I threw my egg in, and what I'm doing is just layering the wet ingredients first. We're going to go ahead and add in that 1 teaspoon of the vanilla. And I'm thinking I might try to use my vanilla skinny syrup in this. I think that would just kick up the sweetness and still give us that vanilla flavoring. I have not tested that yet, so stay tuned. I'll keep you posted on that. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to open up our package of the Ghost Nutrition chocolate Chips Ahoy cookie protein powder. Again, that one is 4 points. And then we're going to add in a half teaspoon of baking powder, and that's just going to help make it fluffy and help make it rise a little bit more. And that's it. That's it for the ingredients if you're using anything other than the chocolate, because the chocolate, you just want to have that more intense flavor by adding that cocoa powder. So we're just going to mix it with a fork. Super simple. So we're going to get that mixed. And then here's the easy part. You do not have to heat up your house. You don't have to heat up your oven. You just throw this right into the microwave for 1 minute and 50 seconds. So that's 150 in the microwave to cook this. So we're going to go ahead and get this mixed, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw this in the microwave, and then I will come back and show you what's next. All right, so it's been 1 minute and 50 seconds and we pulled this out of the microwave. You can see it's still steaming there. And you could eat it right out of this bowl if you just wanted to put some type of a topping on it, or just eat it plain. You could just grab a spoon and just eat it right out of the bowl. I like to take it out of the bowl and throw it onto a plate because 9 times out of 10, I'm only eating half of this. And then I save the other half for a snack later. Can you see those chocolate pieces that are all melted in there? This one was so good. Now, if you are using a microwave, my microwave is 1,000 watts. So just to let you know that my microwave may not be the same temperature as yours. So if you have like a newer model, then just make sure you adjust the times for that. But again, I do have a 1,000-watt microwave, just so you know. So I'm just going to cut off a little piece here. I'm going to give this a try. Not that I haven't tried it before, but I thought I wanted to kind of show you what it looks like in the middle here so you can see that it is done all the way through. And again, you've got this little personalized cake, but it is so, so good. Now, sometimes I top it with some whipped cream. Sometimes I will top it with other things. Like maybe like a chocolate syrup. So what I'm showing you here is I went ahead and mixed up one of the chocolate ones just so you could see the difference, because I wanted to go ahead and show you again what the difference in the texture is. The chocolate one does have a slightly different texture, but I think it might be because of that cocoa powder. So they are still so good. I mean, I've made the chocolate, I've made peanut butter, I've made chocolate chip, but definitely give this a try because they are absolutely delicious. All right, and just like that, it is done. So here is the chocolate cake. Again, I just wanted to show you that they, again, do have a little bit of a different texture, but this one I think would by far be my favorite, but the other flavor variations have been so good. I can't wait to try more. So here's one last look at that. I'm telling you, we need to invent smell-o-vision because this just makes my whole kitchen smell like chocolate cake. I did pick up this Hershey's syrup, the 0 sugar one. It is 0 points for the serving size, which I can't read here because I've got something blocking my screen. However, use the serving size, 0 points. All right, so did I tell you that you were going to love that? Because I'm telling you, I have been taking that cake. I mean, I've been eating it, when I make it, but I've also been packing the cake in my lunch bag. I know it's so funny to have cake, but I've been packing it in my lunch bag too because of the fact that sometimes you want something sweet. And let me tell you something, a half of that cake is 1 point for the chocolate one, that is. So 1 point for a kind of a cakey type. So good, like so good. Hey, you'll have to let me know if you try this in your own kitchens. So leave me some comments below. If you like me to continue to share some of these fun, quick, easy recipes and finds that I've been finding. And with that said, I want to say have a great day and we will see you next video.